Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you want tied to Premium. This links purchases and downloads. Once signed in, open YouTube and tap your profile, then get YouTube Premium to see plans. Choose Single or Family, enter payment details, and confirm. This unlocks ad-free play and background audio immediately. Make sure your S24 Ultra has current Play Store and YouTube updates. Outdated apps can block the subscription flow. After purchase, you configure how Premium behaves on your S24 Ultra so it matches your habits. Go to Settings, right arrow Background and Downloads, enable background play so audio continues when you switch apps. Next, choose Download Quality and Storage Location. Higher quality uses more space, so pick Standard if you want more offline videos. Also turn on Smart Downloads or Offline Mixtape to refresh offline content automatically. This keeps fresh videos without manual effort. Finish by verifying Premium features. Play a video, lock the screen, and confirm audio continues. Download one video and play offline. Then manage billing or cancel through your Google account or YouTube profile under Purchases. This controls renewals and family members. If something fails, sign out and back in, clear the YouTube app cache, and check for updates. These quick fixes resolve most sync and playback errors. If problems persist, contact Google Support through the YouTube app for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.